Look at this new 2012 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This Silverado 2500 HD boasts an engine and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include the seats, front 40/20/40 split bench, 3-passenger, driver and front passenger manual reclining, remote keyless entry, GVWR, 9,900 pounds, 4,490 kilograms, rear axle, 3.73 ratio, engine, Vortec 6.0L variable valve timing SPE85 compatible, flex fuel, emissions override, federal, emissions, Arizona, Connecticut, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, New Jersey, New York, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, Vermont and Washington state requirements in this suspension package, handling trailering, heavy duty. Call 866-409-3464 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.